Using online forms for internal team requests and approvals is a game changer for streamlining workflows and keeping everything organized. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to implement online forms effectively so your team can submit requests and approvals without the headache of back and forth emails. Stick around until the end for a special bonus. You'll get an exclusive free trial of our recommended software to follow along with. First off, online forms are a great way to collect all the necessary information in one place. They allow your team to submit requests for things like time off, equipment, project approvals, and more. The key is to create forms that are easy to fill out, capture the right details, and integrate seamlessly with your internal processes. Let's start with how to set up a form. Choose an online form builder. There are many out there, but the software we'll be using today makes it easy to design custom forms without needing technical expertise. All you need to do is choose a template, or start from scratch if you prefer. For internal team requests, make sure your form includes fields like employee name, date, request details, and any necessary file attachments. Once your form is set up, it's time to define your approval workflow. Who needs to approve the request? Is it a manager, a specific department, or do you need multiple approvals? With the right software, you can set automated approval paths so that each request gets routed to the right person without you needing to manually forward things around. This is essential for speeding up decision-making and preventing bottlenecks. Now let's talk about notifications. Set up automatic email alerts so that the right people are notified whenever a form is submitted. This ensures that approvers aren't left waiting and they can act on requests promptly. You can also configure reminders for follow-ups so nothing slips through the cracks. For tracking and reporting, online forms offer a huge advantage. You can quickly view the status of all requests in one central dashboard. Some software allows you to customize how you see this data, helping you prioritize urgent approvals. Plus, with all the information stored digitally, you reduce the risk of losing important documents or misplacing key details. To make everything even easier, choose a software that integrates with your other tools, like project management systems, calendars, or even your email inbox. This means you won't need to manually transfer data or input the same information across multiple platforms, saving valuable time. And here's a pro tip. If you're using forms for something like internal team requests, be sure to add fields that help you understand context, like urgency or priority level. This will help approvers make decisions faster and in a more informed way. If you're looking to get started with online forms, I've got something special for you. Check out the exclusive free trial for the software we're using today, linked in the description. It's available only for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. The key takeaway here is that using online forms for internal team requests and approvals can drastically improve your team's efficiency by organizing requests, automating approvals, and giving you full visibility over the process. To quickly recap, set up your online form with the necessary fields, define your approval workflow, configure notifications and reminders, and take advantage of integrations with other tools. Be sure to grab the exclusive free trial linked below and start streamlining your internal processes today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the software we use today.